Hello, welcome back guys. We are back here with another bag series. We have made a lot of videos on different bags, and today we are going to be talking about this brand Tomtoc. Tomtoc is quite popular internationally. It's known for its premium look and design. And right now the bag that I have is Tomtoc's Aviator T37 Travel Crossbody Bag. I mean, the name is bigger than the bag size itself. So we are going to be going into the depth and details of this bag, like the material, features, everything that you need to know about that, if it's worth the purchase or not. This small Aviator T37 bag comes in two different colors, so you have two options to choose from, as you can see on the screen, with the volume of 1.3 liters. Now coming on to the design of this bag is very small and light. It is designed for your travels. It's an ideal companion for your flights or city exploration. It is designed for compact convenience and secure organization. Also, it has RFID blocking, so it protects your credit cards and IDs from electronic theft, alongside the main lockable zipper. And looking at the handle, here they have given a handle for you to carry in the hand, but I think mostly people are gonna prefer it as a sling bag. And they have given two hooks, so you can either wear it on the right hand side or the left hand side. Now coming on to the material of the bag. Looking at the material of this bag, it is made of 400D polyester, and if you look closely, there is a tile type texture on it, and even the straps are very comfortable and soft and easily adjustable. Looking at the zippers, they are very easy and convenient to open, and I think it's gonna be great for long-term use. Now looking at the compartments, there are two front zipper pockets and one back hidden pocket here. In the front pocket, you can keep your AirPods, charger, etc. They have given this key lanyard, so you can just hook your key on it and you don't have to worry about key getting lost in all the stuff there. Looking at this top pocket, here you can keep your cable or wire earplugs, and in the hidden pocket here you can keep your cards, cash, etc. that you are worried about getting stolen. Also, you can keep your card either in the front pocket, main compartment, or the front pocket. It's all gonna be safe because the bag is RFID protected. Now coming to the main compartment, the middle one. Looking inside of this bag, oh my god, this small bag has 5 different compartments. I mean, you can fit up to 4 to 6 passports, and it has dedicated compartments, so you can organize everything neatly. There is one zipper pocket, 3 open pockets, one main compartment, so everything can be placed according to where you want them. So overall, the design of this bag, I mean, it's so small but yet so convenient and well protected. If you are 5'9", this is how it's gonna look on you. If you're 5'3" or 5'4", this is how it's gonna look on you. I mean, for me personally, I think I might start using this well from tomorrow, because it can easily fit my mobile phone, my charger, my makeup essentials, and it is great for your travel trips or commuting to within your city. So that's it for today's video.